Meet the armadillo, nature's armored mammal.
The armadillos are small mammals recognized for their unique bony shells. These creatures are found across the Americas with about 21 known species. Their name means little armored one in Spanish, perfectly describing their extraordinary natural defense. While some armadillos dig for food and shelter, their standout adaptation is the remarkable armor covering their bodies.
How the armor works.
Armadillo armor consists of overlapping plates made of bone called osteoderms, covered by a tough layer of skin. This shell covers the back, sides, and sometimes even the head and tail. The armor is flexible at the joints, letting armadillos move and curl up while staying protected from bites, scratches, and sharp objects.
Rolling into a ball, the ultimate defense.
While many armadillos rely on running or digging, a few, like the three-banded armadillo, can roll completely into a ball. In this classic defense, the animal tucks in its head and feet, creating a nearly impenetrable sphere. This makes it extremely hard for predators to reach any vulnerable parts of its body.
Protection against predators.
Armadillo armor helps shield them from common predators like coyotes, jaguars, and large birds of prey. When threatened, an armadillo may quickly dig or press its armored body tightly to the ground, making it difficult to flip or bite. This protective approach can mean the difference between escaping harm or becoming a meal.
More than just armor.
Armadillo shells are not just for defense. Their sturdy appearance also plays a role in temperature regulation, and in some species, helps them swim by trapping air. Over millions of years, their armor has evolved into one of nature's most ingenious forms of protection, ensuring armadillos' survival in diverse environments.